diminutive powerhouse of energy. The woman they call Magnificent Mary, warming up for a bout. 4 times world champion. Her next mission, a gold at the 2012 Olympics.
When I was small, I was very interested in boxing, karate and kung fu, like that. I always watching action movie. So I'm very interested in fighting.
Training hard on her heels are these young Manipuri hopefuls in what has become India's boxing nursery.
This is where Mary Kom began her boxing career 10 years ago, where she first began to dream of becoming a world beater. She now inspires an entire generation of boxers who, like her, are hoping that the sport will become a ticket to a better future.
Growing up in the countryside, she often helped her parents work in the fields in this far corner of India, bordering Burma. A tough upbringing in a state hit by a violent insurgency. Even our presence brought soldiers out to check from the neighbouring army base. It's time to catch up over a cup of tea in the family home, one that Mary Kom only gets to visit occasionally. Her presence welcomed by the family and neighbours who are all proud of her success.
Our life has changed because of her success. Earlier, I used to take care of the family. Now Mary does. I hope she wins the gold medal in London Olympics.
A visit to her high school.
Hello, children.
And you realise that her influence extends far beyond her home.
In fact, this is my classroom.
Surrounded by students at her first classroom, she was never really the model pupil. Her teachers remember her as the wild, sporty child who would take the first opportunity to head outdoors, racing up and down the dirt tracks right by the school.
She has strong will and brave. I'm very proud of her. God is giving us such a good student in our school. And I do pray for her also to become better more and more.
Her origins may have been humble, but her success has made her an instant celebrity and an inspiration for everyone here. Back in the ring, the practice is intense ahead of London 2012. Women's boxing is going to feature for the first time at an Olympics. So the pressure is on. On her shoulders rest the hopes not just of a community, but also a nation of 1 billion people. Sanjay Majumdar, BBC News, Manipur.